Doing what?
Putting makeup on.
Doing makeup? Do you know how to do makeup? Yeah? London, you getting it too?
We have makeup, lipstick at our house.
You have makeup and lipstick at your house? Yeah? Wow.
That kitty cat is doing it.
Yeah, the kitty cat. You getting it, London? Got yours on?
Just gonna step a little.
Huh?
I just gonna step a little.
You what?
This one
Oh,
you use
you have someone up there with you now.
What?
What is she doing up there? She wants makeup, maybe? Do you think Pippa wants some makeup on her face?
Can you get her down?
Yeah. Does she need to get down? Why?
Because I don't like her when she gets up there.
You're scared she's going to claw you? Scratch you?
But she won't if you're not bothering her.
Yeah. If you don't bother her, she doesn't care. You want her down? Pippi, Pippi, come here. Get down. Get down. Get down.
Whoa, here.
Okay, she's down, sissy.
She's down.
She's wanting to go outside.
Go, go.
Pippa, go. Okay, she's gone.
I like the puppy in here.
The puppies are okay in here?
Yep. Do you want here?
Hmm?
Do you want here?
That goes on your cheeks. Yes. Let me see those teeth. What's the deal with those teeth? What happened? Did someone beat you up and knock your teeth out?
No.
What happened? How did they come out?
My daddy pulled them out.
Your daddy pulled them out? Let me see that again. Did you get a visit from the tooth fairy?
Mm-hmm.
What'd she give you?
Another Lego set.
A Lego set?
I found this
A mermaid? Sissy, your makeup looks beautiful. You got a little bit of purple on your nose, though. Did you see that? Yeah. Let me see your
When I
makeup.
go in the bathtub, I'm going to
Oh,
use
my
this.
goodness.
When I go in the bathtub, I'm going to use this like a movie.
You're going to use it when you go in the bathtub?
Yeah, and it's going to sit on the wall.
Yeah. So, where did we go and what did we look at the ultrasound? Who did we see? When we went to go see and they looked in your mama's belly?
Larry.
Mm-hmm.
Where did this go?
On your eye? Oh, on your cheeks, on your nose. Did you get to see Lyric, Sissy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is she getting bigger?
Yeah.
She's growing, isn't she?
I can put on my nose too.
Yeah. And did she put her foot all the way up to her forehead?
I can do that too.
She's so silly.
I can do that too.
Yeah. You can put your foot on your forehead.
Mama,
Yeah.
can you give me a wipe? Cause you gotta watch.
I don't have any wipes.
You
but
gotta
can
watch.
Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh, you did it just like Lyric did hers.
I can't do that.
That's crazy.
I can do it because I'm so little.
Yeah. So is whose birthday's coming up?
Me.
Before yours? Whose birthday's first?
Mimi's.
Mimi's birthday is coming.
And then baby Larry.
And then Lila. And then who's right after you, Lila?
Larry.
Oh,
Mama.
Mama.
Then Larry.
Then Lyric. Yep, and then Lyric's birthday will be here. When she comes, aren't you excited when she comes?
Yeah, and it's May 26th.
Yours is May
I
20th.
messed up.
Yours, you're going to start
Yeah,
again?
because there was a lot of makeup on here.
Yeah.
I'm
You still didn't get the dirt out of your fingernails from planting flowers. There's still some there.
Yeah.
That's okay. You can get it out when you take a bath tonight. How's that sound? Does that sound good?
Yeah. Good.
You're going to start all over again?
Yeah, because I messed up right here. There's a lot.
Okay. Sissy, what are you doing over there?
Put makeup on.
Mm-hmm.
I already used that one. See here?
Whose makeup is that over there?
Mine.
Yeah? That's your guys, huh? You getting it, sis?
This one has a hole.
Mm-hmm. That one has a lot in it, doesn't it?
So I smell it around.
That makes you look tan. Like you got a real dark tan. Like you just come home from the beach, doesn't it? Yeah. Are you guys going to the beach again this year?
Yeah.
Yeah? After Lyric's born?
We're going to Granddaddy.
You're gonna go see. You're gonna go see Granddaddy. Yeah. You know where that is? That's Myrtle Beach. That's at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Has sharks too.
Huh?
Has sharks sometimes.
It has sharks sometimes. Yeah, you're right. The beach does.
Where does this go?
On your eyes, on your eyelids. There you go. Perfect. Has Granddaddy talked about taking you guys back to Disneyland, Disney World?
No.
No? You need to ask him. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.